Seeking the optimal daily diet for diabetics? Diabetes, a widespread metabolic disorder, elevates blood sugar levels due to inefficient sugar metabolism, stemming from insulin resistance or insufficient insulin availability. HbA1c levels gauge average blood sugar, guiding medication choices. Uncontrolled diabetes may necessitate insulin administration to manage blood sugar levels. Best foods for diabetics to eat regularly. The blood sugar levels can be controlled in diabetics and people at risk of diabetes by including the following foods in the diet daily. 1. Vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are rich in multivitamins and minerals that help in controlling sugar. Green vegetables do not contain sugars, so the risk of blood sugar levels is decreased considerably. The vegetables that must be included in the diet are frozen green peas, carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, cauliflower, eggplant, spinach, celery, etc. It is advised to consume at least 75 grams of vegetables per day. 2. Probiotics. Bacteria are of two types, good bacteria and bad bacteria. The body maintains a balance of these for health and vitality. Good bacteria help in the absorption of glucose. They are effective in reducing fasting blood sugar levels. Lactobacillus acidophilus and L. casei have improved glucose tolerance. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, a staple spice in kitchens and for diabetics alike, serves as a tool for sugar control. Individuals with diabetes often produce insufficient insulin or encounter insulin insensitivity in receptors. Cinnamon functions akin to insulin, enhancing glucose transport into cells. Its components aid in boosting insulin sensitivity. Beyond its therapeutic benefits, cinnamon's delightful aroma and spicy sweet flavor make it a welcomed ally in diabetes management. Regular use of cinnamon is highly recommended. You can eat this spice by adding it to your oatmeal or yogurt. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains, a staple for diabetics, offer rich soluble and insoluble fiber, promoting efficient digestion. This fiber aids in sugar absorption reduction, stabilizing blood sugar, and lowering cholesterol levels. Additionally, whole grains are abundant in antioxidants, B vitamins, iron, and proteins, further mitigating diabetes risk. Include whole wheat flour, oats, brown rice, and other whole grains in your diet to replace refined sugars, aiding in blood sugar control. 5. Olive oil. Saturated fats are bad for health, and they should be replaced with unsaturated fats. Olive oil is a good source of unsaturated fatty acids that do not get deposited in the heart and plays an important role in reducing the risk of diabetes. A healthy diet and exercise are important to control diabetes. Studies suggest olive oil increases the utilization of sugars. 6. Dark chocolate. They are composed of polyphenols. High-quality dark chocolate that is low in sugars should be consumed. These tasty chocolates help in maintaining optimum insulin levels. In dark chocolate, the sugars can be replaced with low-calorie sweet alternatives. Dark chocolate should be consumed under medical supervision to avoid any drastic changes in blood sugar levels. 7. Citrus fruits and oranges. These fruits contain hesperidin, an important ingredient when consumed that can have long-term beneficial effects on blood sugar. The fruit should be consumed as a whole and not as juice. Fiber, vitamin C, folate, and potassium present in these fruits are good for controlling diabetes. Enjoy these tasty foods to keep you hydrated, as hydration is equally important to be healthy. 8. Blueberries. Berries, abundant in vitamin C and low in carbs, aid blood sugar control. Blueberries, in particular, enhance insulin sensitivity. Other berries offer similar benefits with their low glycemic index. Enjoy them alone or pair them with yogurt for added probiotics and blood sugar regulation. 9. Nuts. It is a good habit to consume nuts such as almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, pistachios, walnuts, etc., as they possess many health benefits. The nuts are low in digestible carbs, hence blood sugars are not affected. The nuts reduce inflammation and lower blood sugar levels. It also reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 10. Apple cider vinegar. It has numerous health benefits, including controlling blood sugars and maintaining a healthy weight. Apple cider vinegar has fewer carbohydrates. The sugars present in the fruit are fermented to acetic acid. It improves insulin sensitivity and lowers fasting blood sugar levels. It delays gastric emptying and makes you feel less hungry. You can take 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and the dose can be increased up to 2 tablespoons per day. 11. Garlic. Garlic's key compound, allicin, accounts for its benefits, aroma, and taste. Rich in vitamins B6 and C, crucial for carbohydrate metabolism and blood sugar control. It offers versatility. While raw consumption is optimal for allicin potency, capsules are convenient alternatives. Crushing raw garlic and allowing it to sit maximizes allicin concentration. Conclusion: whole grains, vital for diabetics, boast fiber that aids digestion and lowers sugar absorption, stabilizing blood sugar and cholesterol. Packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, they reduce diabetes risk. Opt for whole wheat, oats, brown rice, and others to replace refined sugars, aiding blood sugar control.